Today we are going to learn how you can extract your audio from your video file. So it's very simple. You go to eternal.com and you scroll to extract audio track from your video. And this is the API we are going to use into our workflow. So the first thing first is we have a simple workflow where we have a executable click event here, and then we will be adding the Eternal node here. You can add it simply just by going on here, searching for Eternal, and then inside the Eternal, just actually extract audio from video. Yeah, that's the one you choose. You will have it here. Once you have it here, you connect your email account. You can simply do that by signing into your account. Go to your API key and then create an API key. And then once that's done, just click edit and provide the API key here. Once that's done, you select the resource video and then operation extract audio. And then after that, you have to provide the URL of the video file. So if I go to my Google Drive, I see this testimonial from one of the guests on my podcast show. So I'm gonna copy this one. This is a video. Click share, and then here, anyone with the link editor, copy link, go back here, and then replace it here. Once that's done, I'll just say mono true, and then that's pretty much it. And then I have attached a wait and then checking off the job status. So the job ID gets from the previous node. After that, a switch which says if the status is failed, if the status is completed, and if the status is not completed. And then if the status is not completed, it's still processing, I'm getting back to the wait. If it is failed, send a notification, and if it is completed, just show me the URL. So let me run the execute the whole workflow, which fetches the video file from the Google Drive, waits for 5 to 6 seconds, then get the job status, then switch, and then we have the final audio file. So let me open this audio file here and then enter. And there you go. We have the audio file extracted from the video and it is playing perfectly fine. So this is how you extract your audio from your video with automation. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you.